everyone, welcome back to How Ines Rolls. Today I am doing something creative. I am teaming up with Hillary from Old World Home to do the $5 thrift store challenge, which I go to Savers. Do you want to see what I got? Let's go. Okay, so I just got back from Savers, and of course I have to go through everything. So I got my kids a few pairs of shorts, and I got a couple of skirts. So you know me, I'm a teacher, so I have to have my dresses and my skirts. But for this challenge particularly, I found this. Look at this basket. It hangs. I love it. In fact, I got it for $3.50 because on Mondays at Savers it's half off. And I just wanted to show you, I just recently purchased something like this from Target right over here. Like $25, maybe 20. I can't remember, but not $3.50. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I might try to do some chalk painting on that, and I can't wait to get started. So the other thing that I got, which was $1.50, was this vase. Now it has, I do like the color green on it, and it has a lot of detail, but I think I'm gonna paint it. So I can't wait to show you what I do, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started changing and doing the transformation on this basket. First, I'm going to use this chalk paint that I buy at Walmart. I already had it, so what I also like to do is just get an inexpensive brush so I could just throw it away and not have to wash it out. So let's get started. Mostly done with painting it. Then took a little bit of cup of water, and then just kind of, because I knew the basket was porous, that it can get rid of some of those, like the thicker brush strokes, and kind of blend it in a little bit where there were some areas that might have been a little bit on the thinner side. It kind of gave it a little bit more of an even tone. So I'm super pleased, and now I get to fill it. Now I'm going to make a burlap ribbon. Isn't that such cute? I think if I put that on the basket, I can change out periodically the flowers or the plants that I put inside it. So I think having this will be a very good idea. My bow ready. It was super easy to do. I thought I'd show you a really quick tutorial as I was doing it. And now I painted this basket, so I'm just gonna hot glue this together, and then that will be it. So let me show you what I'm done. Before I show you the final reveal, I thought I'd get started very easily on my second project that I got from Savers. It's I got with the $5, this was $1.50. And even though I do like the colors, I didn't want to have this color because it seems a little more dated. And I know some of you are probably gonna be like, don't paint it, don't paint it. But I am. So I love the texture of all of this, and I think it'll be beautiful, all of it in an off-white color. It's the same color I did the basket. They're actually gonna be going into different areas of my home. So I'm gonna get started on this. So let's go. Here's the final reveal. Look at the texture on this vase. I am loving it. Chalk painting, it's the best. And of course, the chalk paint that I bought was the off-white color. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's from Walmart, and it's $6 for a little container. Not too bad, and it gets lots of projects from it with some tulips. But look at the basket. This basket turned out very versatile, so I'm so pleased with it, but right now it's purple and pansies. So I can't wait to put this. I'm gonna be putting it in my guest bathroom downstairs, and so it'll bring lots of color to the spaces that I put it in and display. Didn't those turn out great? I just love chalk painting, and simple projects like this are just awesome to me. They are quick and easy, and I can get them out on the display ASAP, right? It's spring now, and I can't wait for what summer will bring for the challenge as well. So thank you, Hillary, for putting on these $5 thrift store challenge or Goodwill challenges. I am so grateful that I have a little outlet and I can display. And I give this video a thumbs up if you like the video or the project. Look, paint on my thumb means I've been working. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. There will be a playlist in the description box of all of the other ladies who participated in this challenge. You get some great ideas watching some other videos. I know I do. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.